Preserving unobstructed fingerpad contact remains a major challenge for fingertip-worn haptic interfaces. Our feel-through approach deforms only the lateral edges, keeping the fingerpad center clear. With two compact servo motors, the device can pull the left edge, the right edge, or both edges together to deliver normal and shear contact force cues via differential actuation. Here, we render normal force cues by driving the two-side actuators synchronously. We create 3 stiffness levels by adjusting the actuation gain with virtual compression depth. A clicky sensation comes from a brief high-magnitude burst, like a mechanical switch. In the second scenario, we use differential actuation to convey slope and curvature. Shifting the left-right actuation balance creates sideways torque to differentiate convex from concave surfaces. In the third scenario, we deliver coordinated cues to the index finger and thumb. We overlay normal grasping with shear cues that scale with spring displacement, so users can easily tell pull from push in VR.